Hey folks, Chris here with BigCat Ranch. Hey, I want to welcome you back to the channel if you've seen us before, and welcome for the first time if you haven't. Hey, so just wanted to do a follow-up video on forest fires. So what you're going to get here is 3 things that I think should happen to help prevent and mitigate the risk and the chance of wildfire. So here we go. Well, let me just back up just one step further. Last weekend, we did have a forest fire not too far off the ranch. So I'm fired up about it, pun intended. And I have these 3 things on my mind that I just need to get off and my 2 cents worth. So here we go. Number 1, I think we should be bringing back Smokey the Bear. As kids, we had lots of education. I remember it in the schools. I don't remember what grade I was in, but I know that Smokey the Bear was a big part of a education process as far as outdoors and just helping kids understand the risk of fire. Doesn't mean we didn't do stupid things, but it definitely put a thing in the back of our minds. Smokey the Bear was a good educator. So bring back Smokey the Bear. Number 2, I think we need to clean up the forest floor. We need to take away the burnable load, deaden down basically on the forest floor. Forest fires get way worse when they get entrenched into the ground. That is a well-known fact. So we need to clean that up. There's a number of ways to do that, but they all require a fair amount of work. I'm not saying it's easy. I'm saying we need to put money into it and think it through, because that is causing a lot worse fires than what we need to. And the third thing is another fairly practical and I believe very, very important, and it relates directly to the fire that we had last weekend, and because that was caused by a quad, an off-road vehicle. I'm all for off-road vehicles. We have many of them ourselves, and I'm not blaming the people who were on that quad. It was a very unfortunate circumstance, but here's the deal. We need fire suppression, education, and systems set up on our off-road vehicles. So what does that mean? That means at the very least, we should be carrying some kind of fire retardant, fire extinguisher, maybe even fire blankets, and educate around what it takes to put a fire out, especially when it's electrical fire or maybe a gas. I realize it's at times we saw a rollover once where it flamed up very quickly. There's times where it's just, you're going to have to just get away from it. I get it. But in the circumstance we had at the ranch on the weekend, where this thing flared up, or it smoldered, probably an electrical fire, is probably what happened. That would have been something to spray retardant on, and you probably could have got it out. So 3 things I think are very simple. And well, okay, let's say this: simple in idea, but take some effort to put them into practice, and money too. But if the government would think more about mitigating and less about fighting, we could probably have the funds to do something around cleaning up the forest floor and doing some education. So anyways, there's my few cents worth, and let me know in the comments section below what you think. There's probably other things we could be doing, but those are just 3 things. I know it's a hot button topic right now in the news, but I just believe that we could be doing a lot more in the area of mitigating and prevention. So thanks for watching, folks. Hope you have yourself a great day, and we will catch you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.